There is this religion that is practiced by millions, but yet is lesser known to the world. Cao Dai or Đại Đạo Tam Phổ Độ is a religion that first began to flourish in a remote region of southern Vietnam in 1926. Today I'm en route to this remote region of Tay Ninh, which is 100 km from Ho Chi Minh City and 20 km from the Cambodia-Vietnam border. Tay Ninh province is home to the Cao Dai religions and the majestic Holy See Temple. Cao Dai, unlike other religions, is unique that it is a combination or blend of three other religions. And yet it reveres all divine saints, such as the Prophet Muhammad, Jesus, and the like. Join me on this walking tour and we will learn more together. The writings here means God and humanity for love and justice. This masterpiece here is found in nearly all Cao Dai temples. It symbolizes the divine agreements between God and heaven. There are 4 ceremonies every day here at the Holy See Temple, and it happens to be we arrive during the 2 o'clock prayer ritual. Let's see for a moment. The ushers have now allowed us to go inside to observe and pray. Inside the inner hall, it features symbolism from Taoism, Confucianism, and Buddhism. Red for Confucianism, blue for Taoism, and yellow for Buddhism. The Holy See Temple here, home of the Cao Dai religion, was completed in 1947. Although some visitors here don't follow the religions, most are Buddhists who are on a pilgrimage and pray for wellness and prosperity. As you can see in the center, the great eye lies on the globe surrounded by the colorful pillars. I recommend visiting the Holy See Temple if you have the chance to journey to Tay Ninh province. The Cao Dai Temple and the Black Virgin Mountain are the most visited sites outside the typical tourist attractions. Well, thanks everyone for watching. We will see you on the next one.